Hello guys, today we are doing a piano song and we're going to be playing We Will Rock You by Queen. Two hands.
Buddy, you're a boy, make a big noise, playing in the streets, gonna be a big man someday. You got mud on your face, you big disgrace, kicking your can all over the place, singing we will rock you. We will rock you. Buddy, you're a young man, hard man, shouting in the street, gonna take out the world someday. You got blood on your face, you big disgrace, waving your banner all over the place. We will rock you. Sing it. We will rock you. We will rock you. We will rock you.
Three stars. Great job guys. Boop. Okay, bye. See you next time. And we played We Will Rock You by Queen. See you next time. Zuri out.